Our last thing to do, we have several places where we have accounting, placement table accounting. We want to use the indirect. So function that is so that as we change this value up here, for example the econ, that things will update. So currently there's a number of formulas that still have accounting kind of hard-coded in there that's not related to this particular cell. So here's what we'll do. I'll first just go into one of these formulas and copy that. And we'll use find and replace. So that was Control H to pull up find and replace. I'll paste in that part. Now I'll go back here and we'll go to a formula that's been adjusted for it to use the indirect in referencing B2. We'll copy that. And then paste it into our formula. Let me actually escape from within this formula here. So oftentimes I'll just hit replace and see if it works for a single one. Now for some reason I'm getting not a match, but I know there's some matches in there, so let's do find next. And so there it has found one, and we'll tell it to replace. So that looks like it's fine. Okay, it didn't error out. Let me see if replace works now. It does. So sometimes Excel does things that you're not quite sure why. So replace all, and there were 23 replacements made, so that should take care of that. That finishes our report, except for this area here, which we're going to leave as is for our purposes. And in practice course, I would actually look at the results for various majors and see if output looked correct. That'd be some testing that we would need to do, of course.